Dwi wedi dod yma i Amlwch Brymaeg a cyfarfod efo uwch reolwyr ar lefel lleol a drwy Brydain yng nghwmni Rehaw ar ôl y cyhoeddiad i bod nhw yn ystyried cau y gwaith yma lle mae 104 yn gweithio. I had a meeting with senior Rehaw managers, both senior locally and at a UK level today, following that announcement of just under a week ago. What I tried to impress on them was the importance of this plant, which has been here for 45 years, to the local economy. Following the announcement about Wylfa Newydd a week earlier, I specifically talked about the need for a regeneration package for the north of Anglesey in the Amlwch area. You know, to have this announcement of 104 jobs being put at serious risk was devastating, is the word I used at the time, and I mean it. Now, I'll do everything that I can to ensure that Welsh Government and local government understand the concerns of the workers, that they're doing everything possible to look at other options for maybe saving some of the jobs, making an investment in diversification, whatever it might be. And I know that meetings have happened already today. I'm grateful to local government and Welsh Government officials for engaging so quickly in those meetings. But you know, if the worst comes to the worst, we need to make sure that the workers here, the loyal, hard-working workforce here, are looked after in terms of reskilling, the job opportunities and so on. 100 jobs is a lot anywhere. 100 jobs in Amlwch, we can't afford to lose them.